Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is your girl D, and today is Vlogmas day 18. Yes, told you guys I would be back, so hope you guys enjoy this vlog. Today is going to be a vlog that consists of me organizing my room. Well, I shouldn't say my room, my actual business room, you know, my office that we're going to be using for our business. So we're going to organize that, get some things together, and try to go through some inventory because we're trying to get this business up and running. So this video is going to consist of me getting my office organized to an extent. We have more inventory that we're trying to purchase so we can have a nice office area, but just try to look through some of the boxes and go through stuff to see what we have because we are about to start back the business, you guys. I'm so excited. I am ready to get my business back together and get it back flowing. So we are getting ready to show you guys, you know, a little bit on the outside. Well, I shouldn't say on the outside, actually behind the scenes of Dazzling D's business. So you guys, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. And if you're returning, don't forget to like and turn your post notifications on and do all that good stuff. So come along with me while I organize my office. All right, see you guys in a little bit. All right, you guys, so this is the office. You see right now it's kind of just all over the place. We need to get some containers and stuff like that we can be able to organize everything. But right now we are in the midst of getting things together. We've been remodeling, so now everything is done and we have everything down here that we need, but we still have things we need to purchase. But we are going through boxes and stuff like that to see what we have and what we need or what we need to get rid of, because, you know, it's been a minute, so some things probably expired and we need to change up some stuff. So this is what the room looks like, you guys. All right, guys, so this is what the room looks like, as I was saying. Again, we have this area that we need to organize. We just kind of threw stuff down here when we were moving around. We have this area and then all of this area over here. So this is where we're going to do our business and do some of our products and getting things together to make products and stuff like that. So I'm so excited. I can't wait till we get it all together. I'm looking to get, you know, a nice desk down here and just a whole bunch of stuff that we can't wait to get. All right, you guys. So as I was saying, we have products that we are working on getting back out. We did have a business, like I said, that was going on back in 2020. I said 2020, yeah. Really? I meant 2020. I put an extra year and some other years that we're not even gonna ever get to. But I really am looking into revamping this room. So I'm trying to figure out the look that I want and where I want things to go. Like I said, I want to get some bins and shelves to go in different parts of the room because I want to make it look nice. And I just want to, you know, have my business area to feel like a business area. So that is something that we are working on and we are trying to get things together. It takes time, but it's coming along slowly but surely. But we're going to get to this and I will show you guys the whole after, you know, math once it's together. So if you guys have any ideas, you guys can, you know, comment down below and let me know some ideas of what you guys would think that would look nice in this room. You see the color already. It's kind of like a, you know, grayish white color, so it's very neutral, nice and clean. And then if you guys see the floor, it's so cute. Look at the floor, you guys. Look at the floor, and this doesn't even do it any justice. It's not doing any justice, but you see how pretty it is if I get closer. It's like a glitter floor, you guys. You can see it better that way over there. But you guys see that? It's so pretty. It's just like a glitter, you know, nice gray glitter color. So it gives me, you know, clean vibes. But yeah, we're just getting, like I said, we're getting everything organized. I want to add some pictures in here. I also want to, you know, decorate with maybe some lights. You know, I'm a person that love lights, so I'm thinking about getting a nice chandelier, like put right over here maybe. I'm thinking, because like I said, this is still getting, you know, put together. They have to put all that wires back up. So I'm thinking about maybe doing like a nice pretty chandelier there. I'm not sure. I'm really debating. But this is the room, you guys. I am happy finally able to get things set up because we are about to launch again, and we are trying to get this business going so we can be able to, we can bring the best products to you guys. Hair and skin, natural hair and skin line. So if you guys understand and know this is what we're doing, then I hope you guys, you know, stick around and see the outcome of this room and how it's going to transform. You see how it looks now? And get ready for the aftermath when we're done, okay? All right, you guys, so I am getting ready to get some things organized and get some things together, and then I will basically, you know, talk with you guys later. I was going to keep you guys on here, but I got some things I need to get done that I'm just like, okay, let me get it done. I don't want to hold you guys up, so I will come back with you guys later when I'm kind of halfway done and let you guys see how some things are looking, and then after that, you know, you guys will see the end result. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I will be back with you guys tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 19. So be on the lookout, you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this Vlogmas. Again, it's just a quick Vlogmas. I just wanted to show you guys what my office is going to be looking like before. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and I'll get back with you guys tomorrow. Don't forget to like, hit that subscribe button, and turn your post notifications on, and do all that good stuff. And I'll be back with you guys tomorrow. Love you guys. Talk to you later. Bye.